For those that haven't met Mike and don't know Mike yet, he has an incredible story. He built a roofing contractor business called Elevated Roofing in the Dallas Metroplex, and it is one of the most recognized and respected brands in the entire Metroplex. And there's over 3,000 roofing contractors in the area, and people see your trucks and your brand all over the city. Right? There's signs everywhere. I mean, you're great at branding.
Yes. That was one of the things that I tried to do apart from the other roofers when I started 11 years ago. And that is brand all our trucks, brand all our salespeople, and all our employees are always wearing, Elevated Roofing shirts and attire. And that's really helped separate us from the other roofers in the area.
Well, after a certain amount of years, and you think about all those impressions and how many roofs you've been on and how many neighborhoods, when they see the signs, the trucks, I think even a lot of your roofing teams have elevated attire as well, right?
Yes, that's correct. We get all our installers are wearing Elevated Roofing shirts and hoodies, and so that we're distinguished both, compared to all the other roofing contractors.
Yeah, I remember you used to have a closet, a swag closet that had umbrellas and all different kind of shirts, and you would sometimes share them with realtors and friends of the business.
Yes, we would have coffee cups and hats and pins and just different types of things that we'd share with people.